Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we're diving into the word mirth. So, what does mirth really mean? Mirth is a feeling of great joy, amusement, or cheerfulness. It's that lighthearted happiness that often comes with laughter. Imagine being with friends, sharing funny stories, and simply enjoying the moment. That's mirth. The word comes from Old English roots, closely tied to joy and pleasure. Even though it's not used as often in everyday speech today, mirth is still a beautiful word to enrich your vocabulary. Let's break it down with a simple definition. Mirth means happiness, often accompanied by laughter or fun. Now, let's talk about synonyms. If you want to say mirth in a different way, here are some great alternatives. Glee, a state of delightful joy. Cheerfulness, that bright and happy mood we notice in someone's personality. Hilarity, the loud, contagious laughter shared in a group. Joyfulness, pure, heartfelt happiness. Amusement, the entertainment or fun we feel when something makes us laugh. On the other side, what about antonyms? Words you might use when the opposite of mirth is happening. Those would include sorrow, gloom, sadness, or melancholy. Here's a quick example in a sentence. The birthday party was filled with music, laughter, and mirth. You can hear how it paints a picture of pure fun and happiness. So, whenever you want to express joy in a more colorful way, remember the word mirth. It's not just happiness, it's happiness that shines and spreads to others. That's today's word highlight. Keep exploring with us at Thesaurus Thrive, where words come alive.